In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and log custom activities in Close. By the end, you'll know how to build a custom activity type that captures exactly the data you care about and how to log it on a lead so your team stays aligned and your reporting stays clean. First, we'll create your custom activity type. In Close and head to Settings, then open Custom Activities. Click the New Activity Type button to start from scratch. Give your activity a clear, descriptive name that someone else on your team would immediately understand. Names like webinar attended or case study download work well because they describe the action and make your activity list easy to scan. Save the name and then move into the Fields tab to design the form your team will complete when they log this activity. Here's where you standardize your data. Add a drop-down field for anything that needs consistent options, such as webinar topic, so you don't end up with mismatched entries. Add a date field like date attended to anchor the activity in time, which is crucial for reporting and sequencing. If you want qualitative insights, include a text area for feedback to capture context in a structured place. Keep fields concise and only require what's truly needed. Fewer, clearer fields mean better adoption and cleaner data. You can reorder fields so the most important ones appear first, and use helpful labels or placeholders to guide your team. If you're automating, open the Setup Action tab. Here you can link the activity to a web form, which is useful if someone outside your team submits information that should write directly to Close, or you can restrict creation to API only to log activities from workflows and integrations. This keeps manual input separate from automated events and avoids duplicates. Now let's log a real instance. Open the lead profile you want to record the interaction for. Use search or your recent views to find the right record and double-check you're on the correct lead to keep the timeline accurate. Go to the Activity tab on that lead and from the Activity dropdown, choose the custom activity you just created. Fill out the form with the actual details of the interaction, use the real event date, pick the correct topic from the dropdown, and add any feedback or notes that provide context for future follow-ups. Click Save. You'll see the activity appear on the lead's timeline, and it will be searchable and reportable across your account. That's it. You've created a custom activity type and logged it on a lead, giving your team structured, reliable data for better tracking, automation, and reporting.